Good morning. I was randomly walking in the morning. Let's see, let's explore what things I have gathered in my memory. It was really a fun walking to the green and too close to the nature. Especially, this place was amazed with chirping birds who were singing to the top of their voice. I can't but imagine this place again and again, and I want you guys to join me visiting this place. Thank you so much for watching my video, and let's make a habit of early rising.